Hi, my name is April Burns. I'm the admissions team leader here at Clary Sage College, and this is
Katie McCullough, admissions representative here at Clary Sage College.
Today we are going to show you a couple of the books that you get and the kit that you will get with our fashion design program, so that you have a good idea of the supplies that you'll have as a student here. So, Katie, do you want to start?
Yeah, absolutely. So everything you see here is everything that you'll get as part of the fashion design program. Everything in these boxes, you'll get a sewing machine. We'll start with that. So it is a baby lock sewing machine. So we'll just open this up. You've got your manuals here on top. I might need some help with this.
Yeah.
Awful.
Oh. It's like enclosed in it.
Just gotta make sure it arrives safely. So we've got the cords and the foot down there, foot pedal.
There we go.
All right, so this is the baby lock sewing machine. In here, we've got some extra pieces. So there are a couple of bobbins in here. There are a few different foots and some additional pieces in this little bag. So that's all housed in this cart.
Nice. Look, sewing machines are really good, and it's not like one of those sewing machines that are really large and hard to keep up with and travel with. So, and you've got your handle and everything.
It's got a nice handle and it doesn't weigh a whole lot. So like you said, it's nice and portable. So that is the sewing machine right here. I'll give you those. These are the sketch pads you'll get. So there's a drawing pad, there's the watercolor pad, and then the tracing pad. So you'll get all of those.
You'll also get an inspiration notebook. So obviously, being very artistic, doing fashion design, you want to be able to have all your inspirations in one area. So you'll get this, but I wanted to show you an example of one of our students. This is theirs. And so this is something that you will actually put all your inspirations in and then have it, which is really cool to kind of see how it changes as you go through the program too. So I'll show you on there. So you can see it up close and personal. Okay, and then let's dig into that toolbox.
Yes. This is all the fun stuff. So in the toolbox, you have all of your pattern making supplies, all of your extra sewing supplies and things in here too. So there are a couple of rolls of tape. We've got double-sided tape, transparent tape. There's a glue stick. We've got a couple different markers, masking tape, sharpener, and these blending stumps right here.
It smells so good when you open it.
So first things I'm going to grab out of here are some pattern making supplies. So we have a notcher, a tracing wheel, and then an awl.
Yeah.
Ta-da. And so a couple of things with pattern making that aren't in here, I've got them down here. So we have your hip curve, your beveled ruler, as well as your French curve. So we have all of those for you. We've got some just regular scissors in here. You'll also get some Ginger sewing shears that I'll show you in just a minute. Well, I can show you now. We'll just grab this little bag really fast while we're talking about sewing and pattern making. So, Ginger sewing shears. We've got some straight pins, a thimble, sewing gauge right here, a really nice variety of different thread colors.
Ooh, that's nice.
Let's see, I'll let you hold all that. We've got measuring tape, we've got your hand needles, we've got the tracing liner here, some thread nippers, an erasable marker for your patterns and your fabrics, as well as a magnetic pincushion.
Lots of stuff in one little bag. One bag. It's incredible.
So it's kind of all of your sewing supplies, and then the rest of the items in here are more of your like your art type supplies, like your sketching. So we've got a mixing palette here. There are a package of paints. We've got some skin tone markers. We've got sketching pencils. The world's greatest colored pencils ever. If you've never used these before, they are killer. Some big paint brushes. as well as some Prismacolor markers. So that's kind of everything that is in both the Toolbox kit for all of your sketching supplies and your art supplies and your sewing supplies here.
And then we also have one of the sketchbooks that you'll get. So you'll get a couple different books in the program, but you will have a sketchbook so that you have all of that you're going to need that has a lot of good details on everything for sketching. So you'll have the sketchbook here. And I think that's it. Is that all we have for that?
I think so.
Oh, no, it's not. We have this here. I forgot about this. This is your presentation case so that you do have almost kind of like your portfolio, so everything in here for you to present. So all of your sketches, everything that you have will be in here. So you've got that. So try to set you up so that you have everything that you need, especially when you start going to interviews and everything. So that's all we have for the fashion design kit and a couple of the books. So if you have any questions, please give us a call here in admissions. Our number is 918-298-8200, or you can check us out online at www.clarysagecollege.com. Thanks.